As the years pass and we cross the threshold of 40, many of us notice something frustrating. Our metabolism slows down. Tasks like maintaining a healthy weight or feeling energetic throughout the day seem to get harder. But here's the inspiring truth. It doesn't have to stay that way. With the right diet and lifestyle strategies, you can fuel your metabolic fire and take control of your health. What is metabolism and why does it matter? It's simple. Metabolism is the process where your body converts food into energy. This energy powers everything from breathing to staying active. After 40, the body undergoes natural changes. Muscle mass declines, hormonal shifts occur, and busy or sedentary habits can settle in. These factors can lead to fewer calories burned at rest, which slows weight loss and energy levels. But here's some great news. While your body evolves as you age, metabolism is flexible and responds incredibly well to healthy choices. That's where smart dietary strategies come into play. Muscle mass. Building and maintaining muscle means burning more calories, even during rest. 2. Hormone balance. As hormones fluctuate, such as drops in estrogen or testosterone, they can affect metabolism, but eating right helps minimize their impact. 2. Hormone balance. As hormones fluctuate, such as drops in estrogen or testosterone, they can affect metabolism, but eating right helps minimize their impact. 2. Hormone balance. As hormones fluctuate, such as drops in estrogen or testosterone, they can affect metabolism, but eating right helps minimize their impact. 3. Smart nutrition. Your diet is a powerful tool to keep your metabolism healthy and resilient. Did you know eating enough protein can help build and preserve muscle mass, which is essential for a healthy metabolism? Protein has a thermic effect, meaning your body uses more energy to digest it compared to fats or carbs. Lean meats like chicken or turkey. Plant-based options include lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and edamame. Eggs, Greek yogurt, and nuts are convenient everyday sources. Aim to include a serving of protein with every meal to maximize the benefits. Switching to whole grains can help stabilize energy levels throughout the day. Unlike refined carbs, whole grains provide sustained energy and improved digestion, which indirectly boosts metabolic performance. Oats, quinoa, brown rice, or whole grain bread pasta. Add barley or farro to soups or salads for variety. Not all fats are the enemy. Healthy fats play a huge role in hormone regulation, which greatly affects metabolism. Avocados, olive oil, and nuts, like almonds and walnuts. Fatty fish like salmon or mackerel rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Incorporating these into meals helps support both metabolism and heart health. Bright, colorful plates filled with nutrient-dense vegetables and fruits are the cornerstone of a healthy metabolism. They're packed with fiber to keep you full, stabilize blood sugar, and aid digestion. Green vegetables like spinach, broccoli, zucchini, and kale. Vibrant fruits such as berries, citrus fruits, and apples. Don't forget fiber-rich options like carrots, sweet potatoes, and squash. Beyond the foods themselves, how you eat is just as important for an active metabolism. Eating at the right times can help keep your metabolism fired up all day long. For example, avoid irregular meal skipping. It might seem like a shortcut to weight loss, but it actually tells your body to conserve energy and slow your system down. Instead, aim for smaller, balanced meals every 3-4 hours. This promotes steady energy levels and improves digestion. Pro tip: start your day with a power breakfast rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. For example, try scrambled eggs with avocado and a slice of whole grain toast. Busy lifestyles often make unhealthy eating tempting. Combat this by meal prepping over the weekend or stocking up on grab-and-go healthy snacks like hard-boiled eggs, cut vegetables, or protein bars. Smart snacking can keep hunger and metabolism under control. Think Greek yogurt with berries, a handful of almonds, or sliced vegetables with hummus. Did you know that water is crucial for breaking down food into energy? Studies show dehydration can reduce metabolic efficiency. By simply drinking more water, you're giving your metabolism the support it needs. Drink water consistently throughout the day, aiming for about 8 cups or more if you're active. Try green tea as it contains compounds that may boost metabolism. Herbal teas like peppermint or ginger are also excellent options. Myth: eating less always helps you lose weight. Truth. Severely restricting calories slows down your metabolism as your body enters a starvation mode and burns fewer calories. Opt for balanced, nutrient-dense meals instead. Myth. Carbs are the enemy after 40. Truth. The right kinds of carbs, like whole grains or sweet potatoes, offer energy and fiber essential to a healthy metabolism. Your metabolism doesn't exist in isolation. It's strongly influenced by your overall lifestyle. To maximize your diet's impact, add these supporting habits. Exercise. Regularly, incorporate resistance training or bodyweight exercises to build muscle and boost your resting metabolic rate. Don't forget cardiovascular activities like walking or cycling to burn calories and improve heart health. 2. Manage stress. Chronic stress increases cortisol, a hormone that slows metabolism. Practice regular relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing. 3. Prioritize sleep. Poor sleep quality throws off hormone balance, disrupting metabolism. Aim for 7-8 hours of quality sleep every night. Small food swaps. Substitute white bread for whole grain options, or trade sugary drinks for flavored water or herbal tea. These swaps might seem simple, but make a lasting impact. Metabolism-boosting snacks. Create quick bites like a boiled egg paired with a handful of nuts, or pair Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and chia seeds. Consistency. Over perfection. Stick to gradual improvements instead of harsh short-term diets. Building a routine makes results sustainable. Turning 40 doesn't mean giving up on feeling fit, energized, or confident. Your metabolism may adapt as you age, but with the right dietary choices and self-care, you have the power to adjust and thrive. From understanding the foods that fuel your body to building smarter habits, the steps you take today can create a healthier tomorrow. What's next? Try implementing one tip from this video today. Whether it's drinking more water, adding whole grains to your meals, or prepping healthy snacks, every action adds up. And don't forget to share your journey with us. We'd love to celebrate your progress. Start now and rediscover the energy and vitality of a well-nourished body. After all, age is just a number. Your health is in your hands.